Hi, it's Greta from Attention Insight. Today's tutorial is about guiding lines and how they can help us direct a user's attention to specific elements and increase their focus. On a new artboard, I will place a heading, body text, and a CTA button. Let's test it with Attention Insight. Clarity score is high, as the design is very clean and simple. Let's check out a more detailed analysis. Our goal is to apply a guiding line so that it helps us to create more focus on the Get in Touch CTA button. I will slightly adjust the layout and will align the CTA button with the guiding line's right corner. The idea is for a user to scan the design from the top to the bottom and, as we read from left to right, by following the guiding line, move the attention to the CTA button. Let's see what Attention Insight results are. Clarity score remains in high percentage. Let's make a comparison between the two designs on the Attention Insight web app. The results are what we have wished for. Call to action button, being the one that we wanted to increase the attention for, increased by almost 1%. The attention for the heading remained almost the same, while body text attention decreased, but it doesn't affect the outcome of our initial goal, as the most important object, the CTA button, is now more visible. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos.